Okay, so let's start with first thing which we will be learning today, that we call factors. Okay, so what is the definition of factor that I am writing first? Then I will explain you what is factor. So a factor of a number, you can write in your copy, a factor of number is an exact divisor of that number. So if I'm talking about a number, then what is its factor? Let's say if I'm talking about 6. So what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 which exactly divide 6. Like if I say 1, 1 can divide 6. If I say 2, 2 can also divide 6. If I say 3, yes, 3 can divide 6. If I say 6, so I will say yes, 6 can divide 6. So whatever the number which can exactly divide the number, we call it factor. Okay, so got the understanding of the definition of factor? Please write it down, then we will practice for factor today. Please write down the definition and confirm if you have written. Hirday, have you written the definition?
Yes, ma'am. I've written that a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number is called factor.
Yes, correct. Ahana and Samarth, both of you have also written the definition.
Ma'am, I have took the screenshot.
Okay, Ahana, have you written the definition? Okay, I'm not getting your voice properly.
I have written.
Okay, okay, now I can hear you. So let's check for factors of 12. So if I say factors of 12, what does it mean? Which are the numbers which can exactly divide 12? So what are the factors of 12? 1 can exactly divide, then 2 can divide, 3 can divide, 4 can divide, 6 can divide, 12 can divide. So you can see there are 6 factors of 12. Okay, so let's come to multiple. What do we mean by multiple? So write the definition. Multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. So if I multiply a number by a natural number, I will get its multiple. Like if I want to know the multiple of 3, multiple of 3. So I will multiply 3 by 1. So what I will get? 3. I will multiply 3 by 2. Then I get 6. I will multiply 3 by 3. So I got 9. I multiply 3 by 4. I got 12. So in this way, a number can have many multiples. I have to multiply them by the natural number. So let's say natural number starts from 1. So I keep on multiplying it. I have multiplied it by 1, then by 2, then by 3, then by 4 in this way. So what do you say? Have you understood factors and multiples? And have you also written its definition?
And can you explain multiple one more time?
Yeah, Hirday. So see how we need to find the multiple of 3. I have to multiply that number with natural numbers. So let's say I have multiplied it by 1, then 2, then by 3, then by 4. So I keep on multiplying it by different natural numbers. Just a minute. So I have to multiply it by different numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is like this. Hirday, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I say you to find multiple of 4, multiple of 4. So what does it mean? I have to multiply 4 by 1,
4
by
multiplied by
4 by 3, 4 by 4, like this. I can have many multiples. So it is like 4, 8, 12, 16. So there can be many multiples of 4. So are you able to get this thing? So can I give you 1 or 2 questions, Samarth? You have raised your hand, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, multiples are infinite, right?
Yes, I will be dealing with the properties also. So can we proceed with the properties if you all agree?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the voice of Ahana.
Yes.
Great, great. So keep talking. It gives me pleasure. If you talk with me, I like it. So let's discuss some property. So property number 1. 1 is factor of every number. So if someone asks you to write a factor of every number, so you should say 1 is factor of every number. This is property number 1. Please write it in your copy. Property number 2, every number is factor of itself. What does it mean? If I ask you what are the factor of 3, तो आपको पता है 1 is the factor of every number, so you will say 1. और दूसरी property, what I told you, that every number is factor of itself. Okay, so if 3 is the number, 3 is its factor. So if 100 is the number, 100 is its factor. So every number is a factor of itself.
And will you send the screenshot today?
I'm recording the class, but I assume that you write just questions, this property in your copy, Hirday. It will be writing practice also.
Ma'am, the problem is that my one hand is it has some problem. It is paining very much, so I can't write with it.
Okay, so
Please
no
send
problem. No
me-
problem. You can take a screenshot
Yes.
of my screen. I allow you. So property number 3. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. So what does it mean if I am talking about, let's say if I am talking about 5. So what are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are 1, 5. So the factor of any number is always less than or equal to. It cannot be greater. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Yes. So factors cannot be greater. They are always less than and equal to the number. So please write all this property, then I will move to the next property. Excellent, Ahana. I got your message. Very good. And I'm hoping that Hriday and Samarth has also written. So let's
Mom,
move.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, please go ahead, Samarth.
Mom, which number is the least number of factors a number can have?
1. 1 is the smallest factor of every number.
Okay, mom.
Then next property, factors of a given number are finite. Finite, what does finite means? They are countable, they are fixed.
They are limited.
They are limited. Excellent. Who says this? They are limited. Very good.
Ahana.
Excellent, Ahana. I appreciate. You know, finite means they are limited. So factors are always limited. So if I talk about factors of 6, so factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. So there are 4 factors. So everything is limited when I talk about factors. So let's proceed to the next property. Multiples of a number can be greater than or equal to the number. So if I talk about 3, multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. So you can see there can be unlimited multiples and they are either equal or greater. So please pay attention on this specific point that multiples can be greater. Okay, factors can be smaller or equal to, while multiples are greater than or equal to. So have you understood this point, everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
okay, great, Samarth. So property number 6. Every number is multiple. Every number is multiple of itself. So if I ask you the multiple of 2, then multiple of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. So they are, every number is multiple of itself. Every number is factor of itself. So last property, property number 7. Multiples of the number are infinite. What does it mean? They are unlimited. We can have many multiples. Okay, like if I ask you the multiple of 7, then we can have 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So we can have infinite multiples. Okay, so please write this property, every one of you, then we will proceed. Great, Ahana. What about Hirday and Samarth? Can we proceed to the next? Even number. So do you know what are even numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Hirday.
Ma'am, even numbers are the numbers that come in the table of 2.
Or you
Ma'am,
can
that is
say,
not the definition. Ma'am, because 0 is also an even number, but it does not come in the table of 2.
yeah. Samarth, you are correct. So we should define even number as even numbers are the numbers which are, let's say, multiple of 2, including 0. So 0 is also an even number, I agree. So you can write the definition in your copy. Even numbers are the numbers which are multiples of 2. So I got the definition. Okay, Samarth. So multiples of 2, like what can be example? They can be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there are so many numbers which we can write. They all come under the category of even number. And what about odd numbers?
Ma'am, can submit it?
Yes, Samarth.
Ma'am, odd numbers are the numbers which are in the table of 3 except, no ma'am, sorry, which are not even numbers.
Or you can say the better definition is numbers which are not multiple of 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Then, ma'am, why is 0 an even number? Because, ma'am, odd number definition is numbers which are not multiple of 2. And, ma'am, 0 is not.
So 2, if I divide 0 by 2, then yes, I will be getting 0.
Ma'am, if 0 divided by 3, then, ma'am, we also get 0.
0. Yeah. We are also getting 0. So I have put the definition as even numbers are the numbers which are multiple of 2. I am talking with respect to 2 only. So which are multiple of 2, they are even, and which are not multiple of 2, they are odd. So please write this thing and tell me, do you understand till here or not? Good, Samar. What about Ahana? You are writing?
Ma'am,
Yes, Samar.
why are Manan and Tanmay absent?
They do have some personal reason. One
Okay,
is like having some marriage in the relative, and another one is busy with the preparation of the test.
But the exams are over.
Okay, they got over today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So maybe from tomorrow. Okay. So is it understood? Can we proceed to the next question? Good, Ahana. So I'm now proceeding to some practice question. Write all factors of, first part is 24, second is 64, third is 144. So how to do this question? Let me tell you. So I keep on dividing 24. So first factor of 24 should be 1. Factors of 24. So first factor of every number is 1. And last factor is the number itself. Okay. Now if I divide 24 by 2, is it exactly divisible by 2? So 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So I say yes, it is exactly divisible by 2. So 2 is one factor. If I divide 24 by 3, is it exactly divisible? 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. It is exactly
Ma'am, can I
divisible.
tell all the factors?
No. So 3 is exactly divisible. If I divide 24 by 4, so like 4 6 are 24, it is exactly divisible. If I divide 24 by 5, I cannot divide it. It is not exactly divisible. Now I will check with 6. 6 fours are 24. So I will write 6 is also a factor. If I divide it by 7, then I cannot divide it. If I divide it by 8, yes, it is exactly divisible. 9, no, it is not divisible by 9. 10, it is not divisible
I'm
by,
sending the answer in the chat.
yeah, it is not divisible by 10. 11, it is not divisible by 11. It is divisible by 12. So I will write 12. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. In 23, किसी से भी divisible नहीं है. So final factor is 24. So how many factors are there of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 factors, and what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, so let me check the answers of the students who have put it. So Samarth, you are correct. Hriday, one factor is missing. That is 8.
I have written it.
You have not written 8 on the chat box. The answer which you have sent me, there 8 is missing. Okay, so this is how the factors of any number is being done. So have you understood this?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do for factors of 64. So first we will be writing 1. Then last should be 64. First is the 1 and last is the number. So if I divide it by 2, I can divide it completely. So first factor is 2. Can I divide it by 3? So if you know the divisibility rule of 3, if I add this 2 digit, it is 10. So it is not divisible by 3. If I divide it by 4, 4 ones are 4, then 2 remains, 4 6 are 24. So it is divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 5 because at unit place the number is 4. If I check it by 6, it is not divisible by 6 also, not by 7, by 8, yes, not by 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 के टेबल में 60 आता है, 13, 14, 15, no, 16. 16 fours are 64. It is divisible by 16. Not by 17, not by 18. Okay, you keep on checking. Then will come 32. You can check it
Yes,
like this
ma'am, it
also.
is divisible by 32 twos are.
32 twos are 64. Then last will be your 64. So how many factors which you are getting here? 7 factors. Correct, Ahana. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64.
Ma'am,
Excellent.
can Samar tell for the third part?
Yeah, just wait, Samarth. So Ahana, it is correct. So let's proceed to factors of 144.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Just hold on. I give this question to Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will write 1.
Okay,
Ma'am, in last 144.
correct.
And ma'am, then we would write 2. And ma'am, 3. And ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 6. And ma'am, we would then try if it is, ma'am, we can write 12.
No, it is also divisible
Ma'am,
by 8. You can
yes,
check
ma'am.
here, 8.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
And-
12.
And if you check, it is also divisible by 9. It is divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 9.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 12.
12.
And ma'am, then we would check by 6 in.
4.
Then we would check
4
13.
is 16.
13 is. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, 4 6 is 24. And ma'am, 18 also.
Yes.
And ma'am, 24.
Yes.
And ma'am, then ma'am, 48.
36 is also there.
Yes, ma'am. 48.
Hmm.
And ma'am, 56.
No, it is not divisible by 56.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, then, ma'am, I think there is no more.
72.
Yes, ma'am, only 72. Then there is
Yes.
no.
So please write it down. Then we will learn about multiples also. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Write first 5 multiples of 12.
Ma'am, can Hriday tell?
Yes, Hriday.
Ma'am, first is 12 ones are 12.
Okay.
Then 12 twos are 24.
Okay.
12 3s are 36.
Okay.
12 4s are 48. And
Okay.
12 5s are 60.
Correct. So final answer we can write first 5 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Excellent. Hriday, Samarth, it is correct. I got your answer. Very good, I should say.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Is my correct?
Excellent, Hriday. I have already told you have done correct. Okay, so can I move to the next question, Ahana?
Yes,
You have written this?
yes, I've written.
Okay. So this question is for Ahana. Please solve and do tell.
If Ahana
Oh.
don't can I tell?
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear.
So first is 8,
Yeah, tell me the first one.
Submit
8. Next is 16.
Yes.
Next is 24.
Keep saying, don't worry, Ahana.
Then next is 32,
What is first is 8. What is next?
16,
You are correct.
24,
Correct.
32,
Yes.
40,
Yes.
and last 48.
Excellent. Very good. So you have to write the table of 8. You have to keep it multiply by 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is first 6 multiple.
Ma'am, I think we should reconnect one more time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, is Samir's answer correct?
Yes, Samarth, it is correct.
Ma'am, should we reconnect one more time?
Yeah. I'm just disconnecting and connecting again, Ahana. I'm disconnecting this meeting and connecting again with the same ID and same password. Okay, just join again.
Okay, ma'am.